Hello, today we are in lab 12.3.8 and we are going to create a guest network for BYOD. Alright, so we are inside the lab and let's expand Google Chrome and type in this URL 192.168.0.6. And Roku's wireless is open. Let's input the admin name and password. Alright, so we set up guest access service using the following parameter. So let's go to configure and guest access. So guest access is selected. So let's go to the name. It's gonna be guest underscore BYOD and authentication. Short terms of use. Let's see. Verify the 192.168.0.16. So let's click OK for this. And create a guest wireline using the following parameters. Guests and guests underscore BYOD. This and the description is going to be guest access service guest BYOD. Let's see, using BYOD guests 192.168.0.6/guests pass. So we impute the username and password provided here. Remember, you can always copy and paste, but I just prefer typing it out. So the full name is provided. Name is going to be hello and let's see, make a note or a copy and paste the key in the key field. Okay. Alright, so this is use the key from the guest pass request to authenticate to the wireless LAN guest BYOD from the guest. Okay, so let's just go to guest laptop and then try to access guest at BYOD. Let's try to connect. Yes, and let's see. It's checking network requirements and is asking for this password, so we impute the guest pass. Let me expand this. you are successfully authenticated, so you can still continue. So let's check our answers. Remember, if this video was helpful, share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.